How to make a Gantt chart on Monday.com. That's what we are going to do in today's video. First, make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So the Gantt chart is mainly used in project management in order to track a project deadline and critical paths and stuff like this. Project managers need Gantt chart, especially in engineering projects and stuff like this. So we're gonna create a Gantt chart today with Monday.com. So let's get started and go to Monday workspace, go to the dashboard that you need, and as you can see up there is a plus icon beside main table. You're gonna click on this, it's at the view button, click on it and choose Gantt. Now you have the same tasks and items that were in the main table here, you have them in the Gantt view. And this is a pop-up which tells us that there is a new option to add charts, timelines and other widgets. So we're gonna click on got it. We don't need this now. And here are the options for the Gantt chart. You can choose to view it by days, weeks, months, quarters and years. We need them now for days, weeks. Let's make it by days and let's choose the dates from here. Let's make this as July. Let's make it, for example, 31, and let's set the deadline here to August 1st and the deadline here for August 2nd. And let's see how it's viewed now in the Gantt chart form. Let's click here. And here is the view. As you can see, each item is set by its deadline, and people who use the Gantt chart will find this very helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and also don't forget to write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.